To submit an expression of interest, log into your account at amr.vivli.org. This will take you to a welcome page. To start your application, click on the drop-down under your name in the top right-hand corner and select Search. This will take you to the page where you can browse or search for the data sets of interest. To review the available surveillance program datasets, click the Browse tab. You can then review information about each of the programs. From the Search tab, you can search for datasets of interest by using the drop-down filters to refine your search. Note, all the datasets on the register are available for the data challenge, with the exception of the MERC datasets. The MERC data can still be requested, but outside of the data challenge. Once you know which datasets you want to include, click on the bar at the bottom of the screen where the number of studies is displayed. To include all datasets, clear any filters and just click on the bottom bar. Click on the Request Dataset next to the first dataset you want to add. A pop-up box will appear with Add New Request. Click on this to add the dataset to your request. A dialog box will appear for you to enter the name of your request. For your expression of interest, your request name must begin with Data Challenge. Click OK, and the dataset will be added. Repeat this process to add more datasets, but select the research project you have already entered from the list when prompted. To complete the expression of interest, click on My Data Requests next to your name at the top of the page. You will find your request under the Draft tab. Click anywhere on the request name to be taken in to complete your expression of interest. First, add the research team form you created in step 2. To do this, select the Chat tab and use the Select Files button to find and add them from your computer, or drag and drop them into the Drop File Here zone. The file will show up on the right and a message will appear in the chat box. Once uploaded, go to the Request tab and complete the boxes. All information is required except for the ORCID ID. Add an approximately 300-word summary to the request summary box to explain your idea. If you need more room, you can attach extra information as a document in the chat as above, but it should not exceed 1 page. Once you have completed all of the information, click on the Submit button at the top to submit your expression of interest. Your request will now move to the Active tab. Your expression of interest will now be reviewed and you will be notified if it is approved.